Because his God, which is small God, which is not even a spirit, but my God is big enough, he can come on earth the way he wants. He can come on earth whenever he wants. He came to the Mount of Tur. The Mount of Tur. What did he give to Moses?
You tell me.
You haven't heard about this.
Learn about what?
That God came to Moses on the mountain.
No, God didn't come to Moses. We don't believe that.
Oh, you don't believe that?
No, we don't believe God came to Moses. No.
Oh, okay.
Moses said, yeah?
So,
No, we don't believe that.
so my God
Yeah, your God.
is a powerful enough that he can come on the mountain to give 10 commandments to Moses. 10 commandments, which Islam have no 10 commandments at all. Islam doesn't believe that. So my God is still powerful.
Okay, can I answer now, Uncle?
So no,
I can't answer.
no, you are just listening now.
Okay.
Because
No, I'm answering now.
Done.
Okay,
You
so
are not-
initially,
you are not answering. No.
The claim was God cannot eat and drink.
I have proven
Yeah,
this
yeah.
from Torah.
He's proven
I
it.
have proven from
okay,
Torah.
Uncle, wait.
that
So he's now providing evidence from his book. Yeah, we're dealing with logic
My book?
here. Yeah, it's your book.
Torah is not your book.
No. The original Torah is our book. The Torah that
Oh,
you're showing,
original.
the Torah that you're showing has interpolations in it, has been changed as per the Muslim belief. So it's a circular argument. We're dealing with logic and we're dealing with common sense. If God is all powerful, yeah, all hearing, yeah, and the likes, yeah, superlatives, for God to eat and drink proves and shows that he is limited. We do not believe God to be limited. That's number one. Point number two, he said, my God is so powerful, he can come on a mountain. That means God has now been confined to a space and dimensions. Yeah, we don't believe that God even needs to come down. In fact, the power of God is this, that he can give us commands without the need to come down. He can tell us things without the need to show us. That's his glory. He doesn't need to eat and drink, because if somebody eats and drinks, they then need to excrete as well. And that is not befitting of God. Yes. So you can respond.
So basically, this. What's your name?
My name is
Douche.
That's a genius.